Thursday 25th June. So when we look at our gold pair here, we are on a demand zone. Gold is going to buy. Gold is planning to buy, but before buying, let me show you something. In a bigger time frame, gold is buying, but in a small time frame, gold is going to continue selling up to that level down there. Even beyond that, these are marking just levels of supply and possible setup execution zones, and gold is expected to drop a little bit down before continuing to buy, and then we shall get a continuation confirmation. Let me first delete these arrows. Let me analyze this sheet well. So let's look into our time frame. The hourly time frame has given us now this is what is going to happen. Let me analyze something that is going to happen than analyzing what is futuristic. So gold has a supply zone there. So for someone who is scalping, you can place your positions here and wait to get out of the zones, out of the trade from. Let me first apply some fibers. You see the same level that I marked, fiber is also giving it, and this is the lowest. So here is a setup zone and a setup zone and a lowest zone. Remember, usually when we were doing commerce, when something goes higher, let's assume something was on 1000 and it drops a little bit to 500. Now before it continues dropping to the lower, it will try coming back to that very place, the so-called 1000. If it fails, you will find that price will continue dropping to the lowest after price trying to go back to the highest and failing. Now same thing applies in the markets. On the 30 minutes time frame, we are seeing a continuation sale. No, all these are setups. You need to be good at combining these setups. But when we look at hourly time frame, we are seeing a continuation buy, and it's the major time frame. No, continuation buy. But on a hourly time, on a 4 hours time frame, we are seeing a continuation. So I cannot disrespect 4 hours time frame setup. And on the hourly time frame, this zone is just reacting. It's just that price is now reacting on this level, because trust me or not, price must always react on these setups before going anywhere. So price has reacted. Now the moment price goes beyond this, let me show you something here. The moment price goes beyond this level, trust me, it will continue up to this area. Let's look into the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, it will continue up to that level if price goes beyond this. And this is just structural analysis. This is not momentum analysis. This is just structural analysis. So I'm not expecting it to get to that point. I'm expecting it to first drop down to some of these levels, and then after it will go up. That's what I'm expecting. So all those buys are just they are just triggering you for nothing. You could enter a buy and get yourself in trouble. You need to sell, and you can take your profit from. This is a nice level for a take profit. This level here. So selling from there, from here up to here, is a good idea. But trust me, we are against the bigger time frame setup. So or you can be patient and wait for price to hit one of these levels, and then you buy from these levels. And even this level had to be marked like this, like this. So That is how we mark supply and demand. I'm going to teach supply and demand, marking how to mark supply and demand zones. And trust me, if you apply this on your charts, you will see that I'm telling you exactly what you need to do. So I will teach people how to mark supply and demand zones. And trust me, it's going to be a legit thing. It's going to be worth it. Yeah. Because you might be seeing me marking zones and then you'll be like, how do you mark those zones? And it's like price respects them. It's all art. So guys, as I told you, price has dropped. Now tomorrow is Thursday. It'll be a very, very nice, day for buys. As you can see. So let's wait. Thursday. Wednesday, not trading until Thursday hits in. Now what I'm expecting price to do, we are going to get a setup here because price is now confirming. What we are waiting for is either a continuation down or an uptrend that will come in after price creating momentum. So every time we are to make an entry, we must wait for a confirmation before either buying or selling. Copy that. A few moments later. So guys, this is what I told you, and the price has reacted exactly how I marked each and everything, So I will be teaching you how to mark supply and demand zones, and that will help you. It will help you so much, I swear. Let me remove that bigger zone. But price has reacted now. It's a buy up to this level. We are going to buy gold up to this level. Let me show you. I need to buy is by the way, I've already bought. But we are going to first take profit from that zone. And we shall receive a pullback. See, price will come and hit this level here. Price will come and hit the level, and then it will create a pullback here. Let me show you. Price will create a pullback to this level. A few moments later, price really reacted exactly as I told you guys. So you guys, I tried to take this video faster such that I show you the results before before it gets too late, because the video was too long.